What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to pipe your senator neck. In another video I already did the cutting and the folding, so in this video we're just going to simply key it in and do the ironing step by step. So make sure you give this video a thumb up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is my own final result and this is what I have after doing the finishing. I only do a single stitch on the stitching of the piping. You can do double, you can do 3, you can do 4 depending on what you want, and you can see how firm my piping look and how smooth and sharp it looks. So this is my own final result. Make sure you give this video shadow facing. In case you want to see how to do the shadow facing, I have several videos on how to do that. So all you have to do now is to simply pipe your neck. All you have to do is to simply pipe your neck. So in order to pipe your neck, you have to cut out the center part of your outfit. I will be showing you guys how to do that step by step. So if you like the video so far, make sure you smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel in order to see more video like this. So to make our piping, in order to do the piping, we have to cut a center part on the neck. So in order to do that, at this center part right here, you have to calculate the opening of your neck. So here I will be working with 6, I think 7 is much. So I'll be working with 6.5 inches. So I'm going to mark 6.5 inches at that place. Before I cut that open, pay attention here. At that back part, I'm going to simply add an interfacing to that place in order to just hold it down. Mostly I don't use interfacing, but because of the fabric I'm working with, it's a wool material, so it can easily be removed. You can see from that area, from that armhole area, it can easily remove. So I'm going to place an interfacing at that place, just a long one. It doesn't have to be too long, just more than maybe 7 inches length, so it will be longer than your opening. So I'm going to place an interfacing right here. You can see, just iron it down. See what we have. See that? And make sure you get your center point. So fold your outfit in accuracy. You see that? Fold it together in accuracy and simply iron it so that you have your center point. You can see that. So after you fold that, all you have to do now is to simply cut the center point all the way to where our chalk is. See that? Simply cut it out. So after you cut that, the next thing we're going to do now, we'll be going to the sewing machine and to simply stitch our pipe, our taping all around the neck. Then we can continue with the plackets. You see that? So now I'll be taking you guys to the sewing machine now and we can simply do the stitching. So let's go to the sewing machine. So right here, all you're going to do is simple. At this place, the most important thing is how straight your hand is on the sewing machine. It is very, very important. It is how straight your hand is on the sewing machine. You see what I'm doing? So simply overlap the placket. Oh, sorry. I said placket. Simply place the piping place the neck inside of the piping. You see that? And make sure you are stitching at the edge of the pipe itself. See what I'm doing? Place it inside. See that? And simply cover it. You see that? You can see that, and simply start your stitch all the way like this. See what I'm having? You can see that. Simply start your stitch. You can see that, and simply make sure you are running a stitch at the tip of the fabric itself. And when I turn this, you can see, make sure you're running the stitch at the tip of the piping, at the tip of the pipe itself. That's what we actually make your pipe look very, very clean. You can see that. Make sure you relax it around the stitch. You see what I'm having? See that? Take your time. You don't have to rush. Just take your time and do it step by step. You see what I'm doing? See what I'm having here? Take your time. And just make sure the shoulder and everything is relaxed while you run your stitch. See what I'm doing? Take your time. If you follow these things step by step, you're going to get an accurate balance. Like, it's going to be balanced. Like, even before ironing it, it's going to give you that balanced neck. You can see what I'm doing? You can see it's already like relaxed. It's already relaxed. You can see that. You can see what I'm doing. You can see that. Just take your time. You can see. Take your time. You can see that. You can see, take your time. And simply lock the stitch. So far you see what we are having here. You see how balanced the neck look like. You can see how balanced it looks. You can see that. So the next thing we're going to do now is to take it to the ironing table, and all you have to do is just to simply iron it and balance the shoulder. That is all. Your outfit is ready, and all you have to do is just to place your placket. You see what I'm having here? From the back side already, you're going to need to iron it from the inside first. Then you're going to relax the shoulder, iron the shoulder, make sure it's balanced. See that? Iron both shoulder, make sure it's balanced. And make sure the placket area, the opening, are actually facing one another. So that's about it on how to pipe your neck. It's as simple as possible. In case you want to advance in learning how to do this, you can simply join my class. A link will be in the description below, where you can enroll and get access to the full cutting and sewing of this outfit, both the cutting, the sewing of the sleeve. It's a cufflinks actually, and step by step. So see you on the next video.